not talking with the birds again. Things they say don't make sense. The chitter chatter chirping in my brain. The words so painful and relentless. Say they saw you with a gun at the Say they saw you holding hands. Said I think you must have got that wrong. He says our love they'll never understand. No, bury me down, da da down, bury me down, bury me down, da da down. I believe everything he says. Birds are calling round my house again, saying they don't have no doubt. Say they love me, that they are my true friends. But he says you just want to call him out. Why do they do these powerful things to you? Why do they want to break your heart? He says you never really liked him. He could sense it at the start. No, 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 no. Bury me down, da da down. Bury me down. Bury me down. I won't listen to what they say. When I build these walls, trust me, I'm sure that I build them high. I'm keeping out all the hard work and the aggro that comes along with most you guys. But his words that come climbing, peeking, slowly creeping through the gaps in my strong mind. Well, when I learn to listen to my gut and the thoughts in my mind, is now that time. Now that time. I hope now's that time. Oh, yeah. Been out looking for my birds again, but then hear no sound. It's probably for the best anyway. Now I can just bury my head back in the ground. Bury me down, da 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 down. Bury me down, bury me down. I won't listen to them anyway. Na 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 na. Hey.